Quality of life. Although it is intangible, it is a driving force behind decisions that play a role in community development. Jeff Crist has devoted his life to agriculture and tourism, business and economic development, all of which are critical components to the quality of life in Orange County. The history of Orange County is deeply rooted in agriculture, and the Crist family is an essential part of that story. In 1883, Francis Crist moved from the family homestead in Hamptonburg to Berea Road in Walden. 4 generations later, after graduating from Cornell University in 1976, Jeff joined the family business, Crist Brothers Orchards. Today, the vast farm includes 700 acres of orchards, producing 600,000 bushels of apples per year and employing 80 people year-round. Jeff continues a family tradition of serving the apple industry in various leadership roles, including chairman of the New York Apple Association and the U.S. Apple Association. He is proud and devoted to preparing for the future of the business as his children get ready to take the reins. In 2015, Angry Orchard, a hard cider company owned by the prominent Boston Beer Company, purchased the Albany Post Road orchard. Recognizing a unique opportunity, Jeff collaborated with them to transition the property, which now exclusively grows apple varieties used to produce hard cider. Angry Orchard's Innovation Cider House has become a tourism destination, attracting visitors from across the country, creating new job opportunities, and increased tax revenue. Jeff's resume of serving his community is wide-ranging. He joined the board of directors for Walden Savings Bank in 1993 and held the position as first chairman of the board for 11 years. The bank grew and provided new and expanded services along with creative ways to give back, an attribute Walden Savings Bank is still known for today. Jeff dedicated time to the Town of Montgomery Planning Board as chairman. During his tenure, he saw value in projects such as Cardinal Healthcare, Do It Best Hardware, and FedEx, creating hundreds of jobs, millions in capital investment, and sustainable tax revenue. The Orange County Partnership Board was proud to have Jeff serve for several years, where he advocated for strategic growth and job creation. His time entrenched with local development continued as he aided the Town of Montgomery IDA, leading the board to approve incentives for significant projects, namely Amazon and Orange County Iron Works. Jeff's dedication continues as he focuses on teamwork and collaboration, always striving towards positive outcomes. Above all else, Jeff is a local leader whose unwavering commitment has resulted in a stronger quality of life in Orange County.